Hello, my name is Ella. I'd like to welcome you to my channel. Now today I'm going to show you how you could generate $5,400 between now and Xmas 2020. That's 8 weeks. I'm going to show you how without having to set up a website, how without not having to work, how without having to do anything at all, you could generate this income. So hold on to your hats and watch. Before I go through, I'd like to show you a disclaimer. So please feel free to read this disclaimer. Everything in here is only for information purposes. You could pause and continue reading at your leisure. Now I want to tell you about this fantastic website that I found. This site is going to enable you to generate $5,400 within the next 8 weeks, or between $100 and $400 per day. And this is an investment site. I'm going to show you how you can get involved. Now, it's called Wiseling, and they have 3 different plans. You could do the fiat asset plan, the crypto asset plan, and the industry plan. Now, if you know me, if you've been here before, you know that I have a passion for multiple streams of income. I'm interested in creating generational wealth and finding instruments that mean you don't have to put in any hours, you don't have to do any work, or if you do, it will pay you continuously over the years. And I found this product. This is absolutely amazing. So if we scroll down, let me show you how you could get involved. Now, if you wanted to get involved with the fiat currency will invest funds for you and it will pay you 0.8 between 0.8 and 1.3 daily on your deposit. And this plan will take 16 days to complete. Now this is 16 business days, 16 working days. And the minimum you can invest here is $50. So if you invested $50 here, you would get $0.44 per day. And over the 16 days, this is from your $50, over the 16 days, you would get back $7.04. And in total, you get back $57.04 after 16 business days. Now, why don't we ramp that up a bit? Let's say 500. Oops. Let's say $500. If you invested $500 at 0.8 between 0.8 and 1.3 interest per day, you would get $4.45 on a daily basis. After 16 business days, working days, you would get $71.20. And at the end, you would get your capital and your interest back, totaling $571.2 US dollars. Okay, so that's the fiat currency, that's the introductory rate. Let's be a bit more ambitious. Let's say we wanted to invest in Forex. This company would invest your funds in the Forex market. The minimum here is $3,000. So let's type in $3,000. $3,000, and the term is 24 days. That's 24 business days or 24 weekdays. So for $3,000, you would get $36.09 per day, or a total after 24 days of $885.6 US dollars per day. And at the end, after 24 days, in total, you get your principal plus your interest of $3,885.06. Or let's look at the stock market. The stock market minimum is $15,000. So if we put in $15,000 here, you would get $220.05 per day over 30 days. 30 days divided by 5, this is about 6 weeks. So over 6 weeks, you would get in total $6,615 in interest. And when you got your capital, your principal, and your capital from your 15,000. In total, you get $21,615 back after 30 days, which is about 6 weeks. Okay, and then you have the commodities. The minimum here is 50,000 over 36 days, and the daily interest is 1.5 to 2%. And then you've got the futures market, and the deposit here is between 1.8 and 2.4% per day over 42 days. That's business days, weekdays, and the minimum deposit here is $150,000. Okay, which is absolutely amazing. Now they do have a crypto plan here, but I tend to ignore that. Let's ignore the crypto plan. Now, if you're really ambitious and looking for high returns, you could get 2.70% per day for 180 days, which works out to be just over 8 months. And the minimum is 500. So if we typed in 500 here, you get $13.5 per day over 180 days, which is about 8 months, just over 8 months. And your total interest would be $2,430, or with your principal and your capital, you'd get $2,930. Now, I set a challenge. If you want to receive between 100 and 400 a day, I would deposit $15,000. And I said you could earn 5,400 between now and Christmas 2020. Now, obviously, this plan is an 8-month plan, but you're totally free to withdraw your interest at any time. And the period between now, let's have a look, between now and Christmas, we've got 68 days and so many hours and seconds. Okay, let's say you've got 8 weeks. All right, so let's say you've got 8 weeks, 15,000. So if you took out $405 per day over 5 days, that'd be 2,025 per week times 8 weeks. That would give you 16,200. So you would get your principal back, and then whatever was left in would be pure profit. So you could get 16,200 after 8 weeks and leave the rest of the funds in there until the 180 days are over. In total, for your 15,000, you'd get $72,000 in interest. And with your principal, you'd get $87,900 back in interest. Or if that's a bit too rich for you, let's do $5,000 invested at 2.70 per day. You'd get $135 per day. Remember, the challenge was between 100 and 400 per day. So $135 per day, 135 times 5 days, that's 1 week, times 8 weeks, you would get $5,400 back after 8 weeks, just in time for Christmas. Just in time for Christmas. And so at the end of the 8 months, just over 8 months, you would get 24,300 from your 5,000 deposited. You just have to wait for 180 business days, and you'd get a total return of your principal and interest of $29,300. And here you could invest in the IT market if you wish. Now the interest here is even higher. It's 3% and it's 200 days. But the minimum here is $50,000. Okay. Now if you want to just check this out, Why don't you start from the beginning? Start at your minimum of $50. $50 you can invest and you get 44 cents per day. Now, my friend and I have done some due diligence because due diligence is paramount. And let me show you what I found so far. So what I found is this insurance document. This company has insured itself against losses. So your investment is totally safe. Let me find you some. Now there's a copy of a conversation one of my colleagues has had with Wiseling Support. And she was asking, is your capital safe? And their answer is yes. We guarantee stable work and capital safety. So if you're interested in joining this, why don't you contact Wiseling Support yourself and ask them, is your capital and your interest safe? And they've said yes, we guarantee stable work and capital safety. So if you have any doubts, contact Wiseling Support yourself. I would always urge you to do your own due diligence, speak to the company direct, and do some research online. Now, if you want to join this company, you need a link, you need a referral link, and I will give you a referral link in the description box below. Now, another way you could generate income is if you refer clients. If you refer your friends and family, they will give you referral links and bonuses, but I'll discuss that in another video. So if you're looking to generate some income between now and Christmas, between 100 and 400 US dollars, without having to do any work, without having to lift a finger, without having to set up a business, contact me and use my referral link. I will give you the instructions to sign up so that you're safe in the knowledge that you're doing the right thing. So I will create a new training giving you more details, but I thought I'd get this out to you ASAP, especially if you want to generate between 100 and $400 a day before Christmas. Happy Christmas.